Good morning. Back at it. Tanks, oil tanks. They don't stop coming. I remember a friend told me about 15 years ago, Bri, what are you gonna do? These tanks are gonna run out. Gonna be out of business. I think he's out of business now. And we're going strong. Lots of tanks. People are nervous to take them out. Understandable. Minimal life expectancy on these underground tanks. Some go longer than other. But either way, if you're ever going to sell your property, you're going to have to take the tank out. You might as well take it out now when you know it's not leaking. That's the best time to take them out, when they're not leaking. It's a little tip right there. Greg's asked me to quickly get my camera out.
Corey, you know the guy you've known since he was like 2?
What's up, Corey?
Says he went into the kitchen and made this.
No way.
No chance.
Yes. How could that be?
I did.
From takeouts.
That's what I said.
Multiple takeouts. That doesn't look bad. Is that peanut butter on there?
That's peanut butter with the caramel rice cake.
That is actually not bad. You know, I'm a symmetric guy. That one in the middle is bothering me.
Yeah.
You could have stacked that guy on top of it.
I could have.
Or just cut this.
Well, you're
down.
hungry today. I've never seen you come with food.
No, he's on a diet.
I'm on a diet.
Oh, that's right. That's why you're on a diet.
Just wanted.
No,
Because
this is
this
something
isn't
you're doing. You're trying.
Well, for the reserves.
There you go. Corey wants to serve the country now. Kid wants to make me cry all the time.
Call my mother.
What?
Call my mother. I make this.
You made that?
Yes.
Can you imagine him getting the seasoning? Like
Yeah, like
I just got the only season I got is garlic and herb.
Well, he works at the bar though, so he serves a lot of people. Is it herb or herb?
it's herb.
It's herb.
It's herb.
But it could be herb.
It's like whip. Okay, so that was interesting. Okay, we have reached our destination. Craig has done another wonderful backup job. One swipe. We're gonna go check this out. Whoa. Well, that's not gonna look that good once we pull that out. I don't know, man, not a big effort to extend that out and then side it over, but everybody's different. I guess if you're a sider, you're not a plumber. Well, here's our crouching. See, it's... Yeah. How's it look? It's got 47-inch legs. What do you think the reason of that is?
Water, maybe?
So this is an old tank. Anytime you see this little belly out here, notice them to be very old.
See that?
Yeah. Pretty cool though.
Don't do the vent until we're done.
Not bad.
Just water.
Looks like water. Same thing is happening. That won't go out. Watch. Oh, it's going. Wow. Yep. So that's why we got to pump it before we put a Sawzall blade on it. They just let go.
I'll eventually.
Any water inside that tank rusting from the inside out,
Okay.
it'll be 3 times worse than what that is.
I can start.
All right, we're done pumping. These things are extremely boring. Maybe we'll get a little bit of oil spillage from Corey. Nope.
Never.
Okay, he's pulling way too fast.
There it is.
He just pulls it way too fast. We might still need this. We might need to cut in half.
Thing has not seen the light of day, and I think it's 60 years old.
See all the freaking metal shaving?
I did. That's all the metal shavings that fell off while we were cutting it. A little bit of dripping. So we'll send our hose back through. This time we can put a screen on it, and then we'll suck out most of that.
See what they did wrong here?
Where? Show me. I know, again, the seam on the other side. You can't do a visual inspection. Probably didn't even know that that was a thing back then. And now Granby tanks, your warranty is null and void if that seam is not out in front after an installation.
Let me squeeze by.
Did we get a screen?
I can grab it. Get ready to quickly.
Put a screen on it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ew.
Oh yeah. Look, that'll come right out now. Is that the float for the gauge,
that's
isn't
the,
it?
That's the float gauge.
Broke right off.
Yep.
Nope. They have the tank tipped the correct way. The best one ever.
One you posted yesterday?
Yeah. It's all you. That's an old football drill right there. I ran out here to do that because I thought it was going to be more difficult. Look at that. Watch how much they foam out in the next half hour. All right, so Mikey's finished cleaning it. It's all dry, we're good to go. Corey's gonna start cutting it in pieces. Probably gonna have to cut it into 4 because the doorway is kind of tight. It's not gonna fit through there.
Eye squints.
Yeah. Ready, squint.
Oh, Mikey's here. Ready? We're gonna hold this side. Mike, you wanna go to the other side? I'll get you. You got it, Squirt?
I got it.
You're gonna have to lay it down, Mike.
Yep.
Okay.
Get the Sawzall?
Yeah, probably. We'll see. So close. I need like 1 inch. 1 inch. Drag it out. Probably don't want to move, Sam.
I was gonna.
Oh. This cord.
Yes, it.
We just gotta lift up. Pull it out and we're gonna stand it up.
It's heavier.
Your side's heavier.
Yeah, I have been having some right elbow issues.
They're each 150 pounds.
Huh?
You guys make it look like it's 400.
I'm an old man. I'm not sure I've ever carried a tank like this.
Right? That's the first time I've ever seen us cut one like it.
Well, I had to fit out the door.
I don't know. The one you made me do the other day, I cut it into 4.
Well,
I pulled a hamstring,
we weren't going right outside here.
calf muscle.
What Mike did just walks right up.
Yeah, right up and we laid it down.
Yeah, let's move these guys up. Get it up! Would it be better if I helped?
No, if we cut the legs.
Come on, Corey! Get it out!
Heads up, down. What?
Like stuff.
Leg stuff. Hey, get that. That feels good. That's a good one.
All right, we'll do a little cleaning up here. That foam is already coming out beyond. We'll remove that copper. Nice job. So that's pretty creative. Sewage line goes right through the stairs. Because you got to do what you got to do. Okay, tanks are in, ready to go back. That's all closed up. We'll go see how it looks inside. Mike just did a wonderful cleanup right there.
Good job. Thanks, man. Good job.
Good job,
Get in
Mikey.
there. Good job, kid.
It's all done.
Wait, Mikey hit a big one last night. Tell him.
What'd you
Hockey parlay, man.
hit? Hockey parlay.
Yep.
600.
50 to win 600.
It's a good thing I don't have that app on my phone. Me and Mom would be broke. All right, that's it. That is how you take out a 275 gallon above ground tank, which automatically means, Craig, that's another fine job by Tank Masters Environmental.